Hello children, today we will see one problem based on Kirchhoff laws. This is 12 volt, 5 volt, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. Here this voltage is more, here the voltage is less. Current always flows from higher potential to lower potential. These two cells are connected in parallel, so current comes from 12 volt battery. Let us consider I current is coming from this battery. Whenever it comes to here, I1 current, it splits into two parts. I1 current goes that side and I2 current goes this side. Whenever this I1 and I2 current comes here, again at this junction, these two will combine and again it becomes I1 plus I2, which is equal to I. Name the terminals A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you have to find what is I, what is the flow of current in the middle of the wire. First, I am taking first loop. Take first loop A, B, C, D, A loop. Loop means starting point and ending point must be same. I started from A and I terminated at A. A to B, B to C, C to D, again A to D. A, B, C, D. Like this, this is a clockwise loop. Now A to B, only one component is there. Current direction and loop direction both are same. Whenever both are same, current direction and considered loop direction are same. For resistance, you have to take negative symbol minus IR. Individually, we are applying Ohm's law. IR. I is nothing but I2. R is 4 I2. Next BC. BC, no component is there, so no need. Next CD. CD, two components are there. Current direction, loop direction both are same. Again minus 3 into I1 plus I2. Here again it is going from battery positive terminal 12. The algebraic sum is equal to 0. First ABCD loop. Next take second loop. D, C, E, F, D. Starting point and ending point must be same. Second loop I am taking. D to C. Two components are present. So I am considering loop in this direction. Here it is going from battery negative terminal. Whenever considered loop is going from battery negative terminal, take negative symbol. Minus 12. Here current direction, loop direction both are opposite. Take plus, positive sign. 3 into IR. I is nothing but I1 plus I2 and R is 3. Now CE. Next CE, no component. Next E to F, two components are there. Here current is upwards and loop is downwards. So both are opposite. Opposite means take positive sign plus 2 I1. Here it is plus 5. Why? Because considered loop is going from battery positive terminal. So plus 5 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now if you solve these two, you will get I1 and I2. Then after you add these two. If you add 1 plus 2, what will happen? 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus I1 plus 3 cancel, plus 12 minus 12 cancel. Now you will get minus 4 I2 plus 2 I1 plus 5 is equal to 0. If you send that side, 4 I2 is equal to 2 I1 plus 5. I2 is equal to what will happen? 2 I1 plus 5 by 4. This is I2 value. Substitute this I2 value in any one of the equation, then you will get the answer. Now what is first equation? Take first equation here. Minus 4 I2. I2 is nothing but 2 I1 plus 5 by 4. Minus 3 into I1 plus I2 value 2 I1 plus 5 by 4 whole bracket plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 4 cancel, minus into 2 I1 minus 2 I1 minus 5 minus 3 into here LCM is 4 I1 plus 2 I1 6 I1 plus 5 plus 12 is equal to 0. Just I am rubbing the board. Here I am writing next equation. So minus 2i1 minus 5. Here what will happen? Minus 3 into 6i1 minus 5. We will do one thing. Here LCM is 1, here LCM is 1, here base is 1. So total LCM is 4. 4 into minus 2i1 minus 8i1 minus 20. Here 4 is there. Minus 3 into 6i1 plus 5 plus 12 4s are 48 is equal to 0. Now just cross multiply, 4 goes into numerator, it becomes 0. Minus 8i1 minus 20 minus 6 into 3 18i1 plus into minus 15 plus 48, 0 into 4 nothing but 0. Now minus 8i1 minus 18i1 minus 26i1 minus 30 minus 5 minus 20 minus 15 minus 35 minus 35 minus plus 48 plus 13 is equal to 0. Minus 26i1 is equal to minus 13 cancel, 13 ones 13 twos. From this i1 is equal to what will happen? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 ampere. I1 is 0.5 ampere. Substitute here. I2 is equal to 2 into 0.5. That becomes 1 plus 5 by 4. That is 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. This is 1.5 ampere. That means I1 is 0.5 ampere, I2 is 1.5 ampere. We want total current I1 plus I2 which is equal to 1.5 plus 0.5, 2 ampere current. That means in this wire 0.5 ampere is going, here 1.5 ampere, middle wire it is 2 ampere current is flowing. This is what Kirchhoff second law application. This is also called loop law. Here one important thing remember, this is battery. Positive terminal, negative terminal. If you consider loop from battery positive terminal, its voltage is positive. If you consider loop from battery negative terminal, its voltage is negative. If resistance, this is resistance, this is current direction, this loop direction. If both are same, current is denoted by I, resistance is R. If both are same, take negative symbol before its voltage. Voltage we cannot find directly, so apply Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. If current direction and loop direction both are same, take negative symbol. Suppose opposite, current direction and loop direction both are opposite, take voltage of the resistance is positive or simply plus IR. If you remember these 4 rules, any problem you can do very easily. Understand? Any doubts, write in comment section. Practice 2 to 3 times, then only you will get this answer. Understand? Right.